67H Farmer giving you an update on the dump trailer. I backed it up with the pickup truck. I had pulled it out of the way to work on the tractor, make a weight bracket for that. When we flipped this over, the chain came undone from the tongue and slammed down over there in the corner on those boards and bent this tongue up like that. So then we straightened it back out with a backhoe, and I added reinforcement plates here and plan on taking some metal from here to the top here and going across. It's something to give it a little bit more strength, but what it mainly did is twist this, and I was planning on putting a cross member across that anyway. It's not completely done. I got the jack on there. I wish I put that on the other side. I thought it was the driver's side when it was upside down, but there it is. I really love this adjustable hitch right there. It's 2 5/16, rated for 16,000 pounds, I think. Axle, I have it underslung. The springs are underneath the axle. The U-bolts are holding my weight. The only thing I got going and I need to finish up on it is to install the spring perches. See, I don't have any spring perches on there. I have to cut them off from right there. There's one spring perch, and I have to weld it underneath. I have to weld it underneath that, and then put the center bolt spring in there so then the axle doesn't slide side to side. What I was working on today was the tail lights. I cut it out with a plasma cutter, and actually like this side I cut that out with a plasma cutter, just a hole, oval hole. That one needs a little bit of grinding to make it fit. This one I cut perfectly, it fits in there perfect. There's the rubber mount. If you kick them or whatnot, it's not gonna damage it. If they're in there nice and solid, they're not gonna come out. And it's and here's the drop that came out with. I cut it with a plasma cutter. I start out in the center there and I work all the way around. That plasma cutter just zips right through that. So I have to get like a round die and flatten this out a little bit. This has to grind up a little bit more, and then out a little bit right here. This side's pretty good, other than the inside here. That's the second plate of steel that's cut through. Other than that, it's looking good. And once I do that, I can wire it up. I got ground, stop, and turn signal. As white is ground, I think the stop is red, and the black is your turn signal. It's like that on both of them. Sorry about that phone call, but yeah, I just had to grind behind this metal. I don't exactly know where I left off, but grind this metal plate there that's behind that. Wire it up, and I gotta see if I can take the axle back out so I can weld the perches on there, and then I should be all set. Got the hydraulic pump. I figured out how I'm gonna get that to work. I need to find a hydraulic tank still and a toolbox for this. I might actually build a toolbox so it's part of the structure here. I'm gonna weld the toolbox from here all the way across, so, you know, tie into this and it'll be part of the structure, and go across the bottom of it too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'll be wiring it next time. Catch you later.